solar panels catch fire?
Yes, they catch fire.
Hey everyone, I'm here today to talk about a topic that's been in the media a lot, which is solar panels catching fire. Do solar panels catch fire? Yes, they catch fire. I'm gonna show you how it catches fire. This junction box, this little junction box right here, is the only point where the panel can catch fire, and it's not enough to spread the fire to the panel. So in reality, there's a fuse inside here, there's a protection. Any equipment that is certified here in the United States rarely can catch fire. It might happen that a fuse blows or a part inside here burns out, but nothing that could set the panel on fire. That's not true. What causes a panel to catch fire? What causes a panel to catch fire usually is a poor installation, a poorly calculated design, bad and poorly calculated wiring, a bad connection. That's what does it. That's what makes the panel catch fire, but not the panel itself, the equipment, which is the equipment that all these panels will be connected to. So this equipment catches fire and can spread the fire to the panel if it's close to the panel, but the panel itself doesn't catch fire. So there's no danger of the panel at your house catching fire on your roof. Not bad. That's a myth. Only the equipment that's installed on your wall and is poorly installed can catch fire. Other important details that people talk about a lot, lightning. If lightning strikes my panel, does my panel attract lightning? No, the panel doesn't attract any lightning. Absolutely nothing. It's only used as long as they're well grounded. With a well done grounding, there's no danger at all. What can happen to the panel if lightning strikes very close by? It can shut down the system automatically. Just that. It can damage the system, but not the panel itself. So there's no danger of the panel attracting lightning or the panel catching fire. I'm just going to show you a difference in the connections. This one here is another type of connection. This is another type of panel connection, like this one, which has the same function. Now, I'm going to show you another one that has a microinverter connected to it. It has the same connection, see? The same connection as the other, and it has a microinverter connected. This microinverter, it's detachable. If it has a defect, you just replace it and put it back, okay? There are panels that have this microinverter, and there are panels that don't have a microinverter. There are panels that have two types of connectors, which are this, and there are panels that have only one connector. But none of them catch fire spontaneously. That's a myth. In the next video, I'm going to talk about batteries. Why do you have to have batteries in your home's solar energy system? What's the importance of that? What's the relevance of having at least one battery in your home system? That's for a future video. Subscribe to our channel to receive more information. You can subscribe and ask questions too. You can ask me questions and I'll answer all of them for you. Every week I'll post a different video about any subject related to solar energy. See you soon. Until next time.